Diary! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I decided to visit again ang isa sa pinakasikat na tourist destination sa Norte, ang Vigan City. Ito nga pala ang upuan ni Tita Grace. She's the owner of Casa Rafael. This hotel offers the vegan vibes mula upuan, lamesa, pati mga beds sa rooms. Today, we will spend $50 for our Cali Corsologo trip. Tara, samahan niyo ako. First up, I bought a pair of slippers for 180 pesos. The slippers is very different from Manila. Mas magaan at comfy to wear.
Pangit ba to? Okay na to, 180. 180?
Next is I bought goods for my family and friends. Isa sa dahilan para bumisita ulit dito sa Vigan. Actually, bumili na ako last night and it cost me 1,000 pesos.
Thank you.
Bumili rin ako ng placemat for the house for 400 pesos, 6 pieces na per set. Next, I bought wallets and tote bags.
Salamat, kuya.
And last up, sukang ilok. One of the best sukan na natikman ko. Samahan na natin ng bagoong at chicharon.
House. Apat na lang.
For the total of 995 pesos lang.
Thank you.
I also tried the famous Ilocos empanada sa sardine. At ito ang pinakamasarap na empanada na natikman ko. That's it, diary. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you sa next vlog. Bye!